Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll tackle a common issue, converting a long list of names into a table in MS Word. Imagine you have a list of 80 names, numbered from 1 to 80. Our goal is to create a well-organized table from this list. Let's take a look at the problem of the day. We have a long list of 80 names of people in MS Word, which is currently numbered from 1 to 80. Our goal for this tutorial is to create a table out of this list. The key things we want to achieve are: 1. Remove the numbering list. 2. Arrange the long list in a table with 3 columns, which should automatically adjust the number of rows. This method is incredibly handy when you have a list copied from a web page or another source and you don't want to transfer it to Excel. It's part of a Word document, making this technique really useful. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it. Your support helps the channel to grow. Now, let's get to the business of the day. First, I'll remove the numbering. To convert the list into a table, we need to follow these steps. 1. First, select the long list. 2. Go to Insert. 3. Then choose Table, and select Convert Text to Table. In the Separate Text At section, select the Paragraph option, since we want to convert each paragraph, which consists of the names, into cells in the table. Next, let's specify the number of columns we want. For this tutorial, we'll arrange the names in 3 columns. Enter 3 in the Number of Columns field. Finally, click on OK to apply the changes and complete the conversion. And there you have it. The table is ready. Don't forget to check out other similar videos linked in the description. Stay blessed.